Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord license plate light. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a new replacement bulb. Most Honda Accords use a 168 or 194 wedge bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged before you begin any work. This ensures your safety throughout the entire process. Now, let's access the light assembly. Open your trunk and look for the interior trim panel that covers the area behind your license plate lights. You will typically find 2 or 3 plastic clips or screws securing this trim. Use your Phillips head screwdriver or flathead to carefully remove them. Gently pull back the trunk liner to reveal the wiring and the back of the bulb housing. Identify the specific housing for the license plate light you need to replace. With the housing exposed, it's time to replace the bulb. You will see a small plastic socket holding the bulb. Gently twist this socket counterclockwise, usually about 1/4 of a turn, to release it from the housing. Once the socket is free, carefully pull the old bulb straight out. It might be a bit snug. Now, insert your new replacement bulb firmly into the socket. Remember to avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Insert the bulb socket back into its housing, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise until it locks securely in place. Carefully reposition the trunk liner and reattach the trim panel, ensuring it fits snugly. Reinstall the 2 or 3 plastic clips or screws you removed earlier. Once everything is back together, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm that your new license plate light is functioning correctly. Great job. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.